Are you sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
I'm with a non-vegan outside of a gas chamber.
Would you choose to put him in somewhere like this, or would you choose to be vegan?
Like, this is literally a factory for killing.
We're so sorry.
I wish more people faced the truth and didn't turn away.
That's the key.
It's heartbreaking.
Today we're here outside of Pilgrims, which is a UK gas chamber who kill around 3,000 pigs a day here using CO2 gas. Colin's never been outside of a slaughterhouse before, so we're going to show him what happens to the animals as they go in and see them in their last moments before they go in there to be chopped up to be put inside someone's dinner plate. What can you see,
Oh my
mate?
God, they're packed in, aren't they? There's loads of them.
Loads in there. This is the other piece of that story. So you see the mums in the furring crates.
Yeah.
No, all those little
Are these
guys.
mothers, are they, or are these
So these are the babies.
the babies?
Yeah, these are the babies. So the babies that we saw in the bottom of the furring crates, are around 6 months old, this is where they're going to find themselves.
There's so many in there.
It's so surreal to think that, you know, within a matter of hours, they're going to be inside a gas chamber. We're so sorry for what our species do to you.
What should I be doing now?
Yeah.
I'm standing around watching it, but what should I be doing? And it's just that feeling of like, you know, just there isn't anything you can do apart from change.
You can see them getting loaded off, Cole.
Poor babies.
Oh my gosh. How do you walk?
Look how many there are.
So where they're going to go, the carousel will lower them down. There's about 4 to 6 of them inside. CO2 is heavier than the air, so they get dropped into it. Around 2 minutes, they come across the bottom and then back up the other side.
That sounds like a rotating thing, doesn't it? You hearing that? You hear it?
Is that the chamber?
Yeah. So this is very similar to the one we went in. There were 6 of us. We climbed on top of the gas chamber and we were there for about 4 hours.
We're occupying this gas chamber because they torture pigs in it, down here.
When we were walking around the site, having a look, me and Joey walked around the corner and we both slipped.
Yeah.
And we looked down and there was just this sea of blood. To where we were stood on the gas chamber, if we looked to our left, we could see the lineage and we could see all the pigs. It was heartbreaking. Once we were on, they shut down the gas chamber, called the police. We complied with the police and everything, and we were sat in the truck, and as we drove out, someone just said, they're all going to be killed now. And that was it. We all sat in silence as we drove away, knowing that we couldn't save them, but hopefully we raised a bit of awareness. And we're facing maximum 3 months in prison.
Fuck.
What happened, but yeah.
Do you work in there? Were you on the kill floor, or? Can I ask you a question? You work in there. Can I ask what you do?
No, because I start now.
You starting out. Can I ask what part you're in? Do you work here?
I'm a contractor.
How does it feel like doing that here?
Perfect.
Pardon?
Perfect.
Feels perfect.
I like it.
Do you know what happens here?
Of course I know.
What
I
happens?
work here.
This is a gas chamber. When you told me it's perfect, I'm shocked. This isn't perfect. This is sadistic. Little babies are screaming for their lives. How do you feel about that? Do you have children?
That's personal.
Do you have children? Would it be perfect if someone gassed your child?
We're not touching it. We're not touching it. We're all in it. When you see the pigs in the trucks like this, you have no idea where they've come from. They could have come from a free-range farm. They could have come from a factory farm like we went to. And this is the point where it's just like, does any of that actually matter?
To have you come along as a family member is even more special, I say, than a random member of the public.
Yeah, quite a few people have commented on that. They know as well. It's really nice to see like someone's brother. You'd think that because you're closer to your family, everyone would listen.
They'd be more supportive, like, yeah.
Generally, most people will tell you that the family is the hardest to change.
Yeah.
Like,
Horrible place.
That's the gas chamber.
But they're all just running off, look, running in.
What have you found the most emotional thing today?
I don't know, man, it's just like, it's a lot, isn't it?
Like, you come in here as a non-vegan, like being strong enough to say, yeah, I'm gonna come and meet the victims, to see what happens, to see the reality. So strong.
It's just fucking horrible, isn't it?
What are you doing here?
There's a lot of injustices that we can't change instantly, but this is something that we actually have so much power for change. If you saw a line here of all these animals, would you choose to put them in somewhere like this, or would you choose to just be vegan?
Will you be vegan?
And it's as simple as that. A lot of people complicate it, but it's literally being like, will I kill these animals or will I not? It's literally that. There's like a really distinct line, isn't there, between the deaf and not deaf. You okay? I'm gonna give you a hug.
you're good, boy. Yeah, you got this. You're good.